If PowerPoint is showing error 2002 and refusing to open your presentation, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can help you get back into your file fast. We'll start with a simple safe mode check, then we'll disable problematic add-ins, and finally, we'll move the file to a cleaner location in case the issue is being caused by the file path itself. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump in. First, we want to check whether the problem is being caused by an add-in or a custom setting inside PowerPoint. To do that, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run window, type powerpn/safe and then press Enter. This opens Microsoft PowerPoint in safe mode, which loads the app with the most basic settings and disables add-ins temporarily. Once PowerPoint opens, try opening the presentation that was giving you the error. If the file opens normally in safe mode, that is a very strong sign that the issue is related to an add-in, a plugin, or a corrupted setting rather than the file itself. That means the next step is to go back into normal PowerPoint and disable those add-ins one by one or all at once to find the conflict. Now let's do that. Close PowerPoint if it is open and then reopen it normally, not in safe mode. Once PowerPoint launches, click File, then select Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, click Add-ins from the left sidebar. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a Manage box. Select COM add-ins from the drop-down and then click Go. This will show you a list of installed add-ins that may be interfering with PowerPoint. Here, uncheck all of the add-ins you see in the list. If you want to be extra cautious, you can note their names first so you can turn them back on later if needed. After unchecking them, click OK, then close PowerPoint completely and restart it. Once PowerPoint opens again, try opening your presentation file one more time. If the file works now, then the issue was most likely caused by one of those add-ins. You can leave them disabled for now or turn them back on one at a time later to find out which one caused the error. This step fixes a lot of strange PowerPoint problems, especially when the app was working fine before and suddenly starts failing after an update or extension installation. If you're still seeing error 2002, don't give up yet. The next thing to try is moving the presentation file to a different location. Sometimes the issue is not PowerPoint itself, but the file path, folder permissions, or a long or complicated location name. To test that, find the PowerPoint file in File Explorer and copy it. Then paste it into a simple location like your desktop or documents folder. These locations are usually easier for PowerPoint to access and less likely to cause path-related problems. Once the file is copied, open it from that new location and see if PowerPoint loads it correctly. In many cases, simply moving the file fixes the issue right away because the program no longer has to deal with a restricted folder, a sync conflict, or a deep file path. This is especially useful if the original file was stored in a network drive, cloud folder, or a folder with special characters in the name. So to recap, the safest way to troubleshoot PowerPoint error 2002 is to first test PowerPoint in safe mode, then disable COM add-ins if the file works there, and finally move the file to a simpler location if the error continues. These three steps solve a lot of common PowerPoint launch and file access problems without needing advanced tools or complicated repairs. If this video helped you fix PowerPoint error 2002, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more PowerPoint troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.